Oh, is that a fucking dead fly? Nasty. Weak little arms. I'm just kidding, it's not that bad.
Winter is hitting us hard up here in the northern hemisphere. I'm inside my cave today. I would not survive 30 seconds outside in this.
Hey everyone, CreepyDan here. Today we're just having some fun. It's the classic Army CA870. This is a fun little airsoft shotgun.
The first thing you'll notice about the CA870 is the awesome, authentic looks. I picked this airsoft gun up for about 140 bucks Canadian. It has a great classic look with the all metal and wood construction. The only plastic part you'll find is the magazine. Now they do call this an airsoft shotgun, but it is only shooting one BB at a time. Here's the front pump arm made from wood, as well as the butt of the gun. You can also see some nice checkering in the grip there. The butt pad is rubber and is very sturdy and grips to your shoulder well. The plastic 15 round magazine works flawlessly and I've had no jams or hang-ups.
Alright, we're going to do some accuracy testing. We'll put this baby over the cranny. We'll see how it's shooting. And we'll just have some fun shooting some cans. We're loaded up. We're using the Colt 0.2 gram BBs. Just remember, your eye protection. First up, let's put a 10 shot group down there. I pulled that one. Alright, that's 10 shots. That's not a bad looking group. We pulled that one a little bit low, but other than that, looks pretty good. Alright, I'll give you a close-up look at it.
Pretty good results considering there's no iron sights on this one. My hillbilly eyes still managed to pull off a decent group. I did pull that one shot there though. Okay, we have the cranny set up. Let's put a few shots over, see how it performs. Lloyd is up next. He's going to try his hand with the 870 and try to knock down some cans.
Oh, nails it. First shot. Where'd you aim, Lloyd?
Down below the can.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Hmm.
Oh, that one was off. A little high.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, you gotta go down a bit, eh?
Yeah. Oh, sniper.
Yeah, I gotta go down a bit. Oh yeah, now she's getting there right.
There.
Some good shooting by Lloyd. My turn next.
Let's see. Those cans don't stand a chance, Lloyd.
No.
My little arms don't stand a chance either. Oh! Oh!
You got him.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Now I figured it out. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Too cocky.
Yeah. Come on. Got them.
Nice.
Yeah,
There he
that
is.
was
Not bad.
No.
The CA870 is a very well made and sturdy airsoft gun. It should even stand up to the abuse of my clumsy hands. I plan to take it out for a game in the future. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions about this, put them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. Now where's that dead fly? I need a tasty treat after all that shooting.